Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. So you are playing around with hacking Raspberry Pi. So guys, in the previous lessons I showed you how to write your MicroPython code to capture an image, capture a single image and then capture multiple images and save those into your Raspberry Pi desktop. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to capture a live video. Of course, one of the earlier lessons I showed you how to capture a live video or a still image using a terminal command, directly accessing your camera. But since we will be building a lot of projects going forward, we need a proper Pythonic IDE. That is the MicroPython IDE called Thani. So we will be using MicroPython codes very often instead of running the terminal and executing the camera and stuff. So I'm going to show you a simple trick to capture the live video. So let's move on to the VNC. I am connected remotely and it's pretty much the same code except after the preview I'm just adding the recording aspects here and saving it on the desktop and sleep for 5 seconds and stop the recording again and give a preview image. So let's save this. You need to click save here and I'm going to hold the camera in front of me and we will run the code. There you go, you got the video file here on the desktop. Let's click, let me open it up. Boom, there you go, it's here. Can you see this, guys? Yeah, the video is a bit slow, which is fine for now. In future lessons I'm going to show you how to increase the frames per second and the resolution aspects pretty quick. And of course we are using Raspberry Pi 4, so the performance is really good with 8 GB RAM especially. You can use 4 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM as well. However, for AI specific lessons I expect you to have at least 4 to 8 GB RAM, which is pretty fast to do the inferencing and stuff like that. So guys, this was a pretty short lesson. I will leave the code bottom of this video and take it up, practice and come back to me if you have any questions. I will see you soon. Goodbye.